What's up, guys? Ryan's Motos here. Want to do a video tonight. I know it's late. So an update. I know what I was gonna make a video of today until I got my tire in for the bike. Tomorrow there's gonna be a moto vlog, so keep in mind tomorrow for sure. Moto vlog tomorrow. So yeah, start the moto vlog in the morning, and we'll see how it is. I don't have the helmet mount just yet because I didn't get my GoPro in, my new one. I didn't get my new GoPro in, so I'm using the camera to face towards me on the windscreen of the bike, and then just we'll record with that for now. And yeah, guys, just wanted to do a quick update video here. So gonna get ready to go to bed. As you can see, I was like, well, before I go to bed, I got the moto vlog tomorrow, so really quick, just upload a video. So again, we still have that unboxing video to come. Not sure when it's gonna be, but that's gonna be a separate video from the GoPro. However, if I get it tomorrow, that helmet, and I ordered some Cenas and that GoPro, however, if I get either of those tomorrow, they still will be uploaded tomorrow, no matter what. Or if not, if something comes up, if I forget or somehow, it'll be uploaded tomorrow. So, day after, sorry. But right now, I don't think, but just in case, tomorrow for sure though. Moto vlog tomorrow for sure. I'm gonna record in the morning sometime, so stay tuned. It should be up by the afternoon. If somehow if it should change, I will post an update on YouTube. Facebook. You can follow me on Facebook, Ryan's Motos. You can follow me there. Just yeah, but that's the update for today. Again, later, guys. Right on.